Hello friends, welcome to the instruction video. I would say a free video guide. I usually post once in a while. We have a Blackberry Z10 came in for a SIM card slot. All the SIM card pins are broken off, and this repair come in and its request is to replace the SIM card slot. You can see how these tiny little ICs are all surrounding the SIM card slot, and this slot is actually going to be hard if you are newbie in soldering and mounting and dismounting of SMDs or component. Please, if you are new, do not try this. I am just posting this video to just show our customers what it takes to change the whole SIM card slot. Here I'm going to remove this whole SIM card slot off the board, and then I'll show you what it look like really when we take it off from the board. So again, this video is brought to you by Cellulartech.ca, and let's do the job. So I'm going to heat up this SIM card slot. I usually heat all SIM card slot not more than 20 seconds. So actually you have to flow the heat all around, and now about a time to just lift it up. Here we go. It just fall off, and here it is. This is what a part look like. You can see that all these pins has to be joined, and you cannot do soldering. It has to be a surface mount. Look at this. These are the pins for the SIM pins, and they are very tiny to do solder on. So here we go. I just took out the SIM connector of Blackberry Z10. Hope you enjoy our video.